All right. Okay, in the first round, we have your winner, Mr. L. Moses. Put your hands together for your winner of the first round, Mr. L. Moses. Saranama in red corner. The manager, the coach, please be on alert mode to assist your players. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, this is the big boys battling for a place in the final. This is your first semi-final in the 65 kg and above category, giving their best inside the arena. Al Moses Saranamai, a former champion of the district, versus Mr. Ning Taudam Sito Singh from Mayang Imphal West District. We have had a very excellent performance in the first round. This is the second round, ladies and gentlemen. Hold your breath. Enjoy the contest. A very fascinating contest between two very special talents. The first round, we have a very clean finish from Mr. Al Moses Saranamai, a former champion of the district. This is a great matchup between two wrestlers. Let's see. Wow, it's a beautiful contest. Both the wrestlers has a very strong appetite to attack. This is a great fight between two special wrestlers. Ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing a mouth-watering clash between Al Moses Saranamai versus Ning Thousand Sita. This is the first semi-final in the heavyweight category, 65 kg and above, at the Manipur State Indigenous Wrestling Championship. We have the Honorable CM in the house today with us. The first round in favor of red corner, Al Moses Saranamai, a former champion of the district. The second round about to begin. Okay. This is a very special bout. The second round commences. Wow, great. This is really an epic bout. Okay, let's see. Let's see your winner of the second round. Let's see your winner of the second round. All right, put your hands together for the second round winner, Mr. Ning Thousand Sito Singh, Mayang Imphal West District. This is leading up to the height. A great thrilling contest between two special wrestlers. A special performance for both the wrestlers. Mr. L. Moses Saranamai in red corner and Mr. Ning Thousand Sito Singh, Mayang Imphal West District. This is an epic contest between two great wrestlers. It's like the irresistible force meeting the immovable object. A great contest. We have the first round in favor of red corner, the second round in favor of green. This is turning out to be a great matchup. We have a house full supporters turning out in thousands. A great sight, a beautiful sight. These two big boys will become legends. They will go on to become a very, very big star, both having the passions, the willingness to win the match. A fitting semi-final match. The first semi-finals in the 65 kg category. A fascinating contest and a sheer joy seeing the excellent performance from both two wrestlers. Brilliant performance in the first round by Al Moses Saranamai, and equally brilliant performance from Mr. Ning Tausam Sital Singh, Mayang in far west. Music Sanariba Mukna, Yamna Nuaina Tatari. First round in Mr. Al Moses Saranamai, Mahagna Ngame. Second round Mr. Ning Tausam Sital Singh, Mayang in far west district, Yamna Nuaiba, Matamani Music Power. Masise yamna talented over yamna nungaiba nupa thokpa mesa mani yam nungai. All right, let's see. Here is your winner, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see your winner. Yamna nungaiba man. All right, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for your winner, Mr. Ning Thousand Singh Sita Mayang Impal West District. Miyam Puwa Pubisi. Miyam Puwa Pubisi. Mr. Sita Singh. Thank you, Mr. L. Moses, for putting out a very, very strong and a brave performance. Over to the moderator. A very special performance from both the wrestlers. I'm sure our honorable CM is very, very impressed with the performance from both the wrestlers. A double thumbs up to both the wrestlers. Once again, please give up for your wrestlers, L. Moses and Mintaudam Setal Singh.
Now we will hear the most awaited and milestone speech from our honorable chief guest. Sir, we all are anxiously waiting to hear from you. So without further ado, you may please take your sweet time.